It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 10th of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather occasionally wet through Wednesday. After that, the weather improves by Thursday and Friday of this week. Let's take a look at things this morning. This is the upper air look across the country as the day begins. A zonal flow, and there's a surface front that's stalling out as it becomes parallel to that flow across the central part of the state this morning. That was the radar just before 5 o'clock. A lot of rain falling over east and south Alabama. Got some thunderstorms involved down to the south, but nothing severe. Temperatures are mostly in the low and mid 60s early this morning. We're expecting highs only in the low 70s today. A lot of clouds around. There's the watch warning map across the country. Got a flash flood watch for parts of South Mississippi and Southeast Louisiana. A freeze warning for parts of Michigan and Wisconsin. And a winter storm warning in effect for some of the mountains of Colorado and Wyoming. There's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. We've got risks from Texas through parts of the Gulf Coast region and for parts of the Carolinas. In Alabama, a low-end marginal risk south of a line from near Demopolis to Eufaula. And tomorrow, pretty much the same area, South Alabama, with a low-end marginal risk of severe storms. The main threat coming from small hail and gusty winds. That threat south of a line from near Demopolis to Phoenix City. And day 3, which is Wednesday, maybe some thunder around here, but no severe storms are expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Gulf Coast fairly wet. For Alabama, the amount's mostly between 1 and 2 inches, and that's for the rain that we'll see this week. And looky here, the Eastern Pacific hurricane season begins this week, and right on time we have a little weak tropical storm named Andres that has winds of 40 miles an hour. This will be dissipating in the middle of nowhere over the next couple of days, but 'tis the season as the tropics are starting to come alive. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. Upper low north of the Great Lakes, zonal flow, and again a cloudy day today with some chance of showers. But certainly not a washout kind of day. This is the high-res NAM valid at 4 o'clock today, and you can see evidence of a few scattered showers about, but probably not much rain. A lot of clouds, highs in the low 70s. Tomorrow, the stall front stays in place. Another cloudy day. This is the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock. And again, I don't know if it rains much during the day. We'll mention a chance of scattered showers, but rain off to the west, and that will be moving in here tomorrow night. So the rain will be fairly widespread tomorrow night. There could be some thunder involved. Don't expect any severe weather over the northern half of the state. And then Wednesday, evidence will start to see some drier air pushing in as the front kind of noses back to the south again. This is the high-res NAM valid Wednesday at 1, showing rain mainly to the west, and that could be creeping in here Wednesday evening for one more batch of rain. And after that, we start to trend drier. This is Thursday, looking pretty dry. Could be some lingering clouds, maybe some clearing by Thursday afternoon. And Wednesday and Thursday will be pretty cool with highs only in the mid to upper 60s. And that's very cool for mid-May here. Friday should be a sunny day. We start the day around 50. The high should be in the middle 70s. And Saturday, a beautiful day to start the weekend. Sunny with a high close to 80. And Sunday, we'll call it partly sunny with low 80s. This is a week from today, Monday the 17th. Upper low that's over Colorado, ridging in place here, and that looks warm and dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, May 19th. Again, a 588 ridge across the southeastern states, and if that verifies, that will keep the rain west and north of here, as you can see. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 3 and 4 inches between now and the 25th of May. And temperatures, look at those upper 60s on Wednesday and Thursday. Might be the last time we see numbers like that until the fall, because next week we go back in the mid-80s. And the CPC outlook, this is for May 17th through May 23rd. And if this verifies, temperatures here could be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.